another video keep saying, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and a comment. Free gifts away will be given. So how to get them? First you have to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to auto-tune your voice. Let's get into it. So first you gotta need to download an app called Audacity. The link for the app is going to be in the description and the way to install it. So when you've installed it, if you can't see it on your desktop, you're going to see it over here when you just type in Audacity. Okay, let's get started. So this is the hour, minutes, seconds that you're using, on how many hours where you've recorded this. This is your input. This is your playback device. This is your recorder, that's your microphone, and the rest. Then there's also tools, edit, file. If you just inserted something like your microphone when you had already opened your desk, it's not gonna show up here. The easy thing to do, you have to close it and open it back. This is the volume. You don't want to increase it from this side. Just go over here. You can reduce and increase it, see? So let's get started. This is the record button. Hello, my name is Sam. That was good enough, so you stop. So now, anytime you want to do anything, first you want to get out the background noise. That's why if you notice, before the start of the recording, I left some space at the beginning. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy this side, click on effects, noise reduction, get noise, go back to effects, noise reduction. Okay. Now what you want to do is go to effects, normalize. You normalize this side. So this is users now, so I just delete that. I can go to the rest. You can simply just press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Go back to effects, normalize. Okay. Next tool is the envelope. What it's actually doing is that you can help us compress the volume, whatever you're saying. So I can reduce here, I can increase it, I can come back and reduce it, So this is the draw tool. But you can't actually work with it like this. You have to zoom it in. Zoom it in till you're seeing just some tiny dots. Then you can increase it and reduce it. Forms like a perfect harmony. You see it? This is how your voice goes up and down throughout. Then the next tool, let me say I need a treble boost. So it's back normal. So I'm gonna click on Ctrl A. I'm gonna go to effects. Go to bass and treble, so you can reduce this, increase, you can do whatever changes you want, apply, and close. So now I'll show you. Then what else you do? Well, another thing you can do is you can change your tempo, your speed. You can add an echo, fade in, fade out. normalize the noise. After every effect, you have to normalize it. I forgot to tell you that. So, you can repeat, clip, fix, clip, do different things. You can copy, you can paste. So now, if you want to save it, save the best country S on your keyboard, right? But it's gonna save in an Audacity type of name. Click on save. It's gonna save in an Audacity form. So what you wanna do to save it in like MP3, you're gonna go to export as MP3 or whatever what you want. Click on export as MP3. Rename it. You can save it as, see all the files you can save it as. So I'm gonna save mine as MP3. I'm gonna click on standard. Yeah, click on save. And artist name. Same as if you're doing music. Title, track title, album title. Well, we're doing all the things that are necessary because I'm not doing anything. Track number. Okay. It's gonna export your project, so cancel this. It's already saved, so I can click no. And you can go back to where you exported it to. Then let you drop. If you like it, please stay tuned. My next tutorial is gonna be on how to make a song by yourself using FL Studio. If you wanna watch that, please subscribe, like, and leave a good comment. And don't forget to ring those bells so we'll notify you anytime the video comes out.